Have you ever dreamed of a life where financial worries don't hold you back? A life where you can pursue your passions without being tethered to a 9-to-5 job? That's where the concept of earning passive income comes into play. Passive income means making money without the need for constant active effort. To guide us in understanding the world of passive income, we turn to the expertise of renowned author Robert Kiyosaki. Robert Kiyosaki, an American entrepreneur, investor, and author, is best known for his influential book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. He is not only an author, but also a financial educator with a global reach. For many years, Kiyosaki has been teaching people from all walks of life how to amass wealth and create sustainable streams of passive income. In this video, we delve into Kiyosaki's latest insights and recommendations for 2023. He shares 6 primary avenues for generating cash flow and expanding your income. These insights are designed to help you achieve your financial goals and secure additional income streams in the year ahead.
Rich work for is called passive income. Passive income is also known as cash flow. That's the name of our game, cash flow. And that income is income that's flowing from here to here. It bypasses taxes. So I know it doesn't sound fair, and it isn't fair. I don't disagree with you. But what's not fair is our schools, which are part of the problem.
Before we dive into the 6 primary sources of cash flow, it's crucial to grasp the concept of passive income and why it holds such significance. Passive income is the money that flows in without your active involvement, enabling you to earn while you sleep, travel, or enjoy quality time with your family. Earning passively is vital as it paves the way to wealth building and the attainment of financial freedom. Echoing Kiyosaki's perspective, passive income is the key to amassing wealth and securing financial freedom. In his latest book, The Capitalist Code, Kiyosaki underscores the importance of diversifying your income sources beyond relying solely on a job. He accentuates the value of investing in assets that generate consistent cash flow rather than assets that merely appreciate in value. Now, let's delve into the 6 primary sources of cash flow for passive income. Asset number 1, real estate. Real estate stands out as one of the top assets recommended for passive income in 2023 by Kiyosaki. It offers a stable income source that can support your lifestyle and gradually accumulate wealth over time. Kiyosaki's fondness for real estate stems from its tangibility. You can see and touch the properties you invest in. He advises investing in rental properties, commercial real estate, and real estate investment trusts, with a focus on properties in high-growth areas primed for appreciation over time.
The beauty about real estate is you learn to use debt to get rich. I'll give you another tip. If you're going to be rich, you have to learn to use debt. It's called other people's money.
However, if you lack the initial capital to invest in real estate, there's a viable solution: real estate investment trusts, REITs. These are companies that own and manage income-generating properties. By investing in these real estate funds, you can receive dividends without being a direct property owner. Moving on to asset number 2, we have dividend-paying stocks. These stocks offer another excellent avenue for generating cash flow. When you invest in these stocks, you receive a portion of the company's profits in the form of dividend payments over time. Stocks with solid yields prove to be a wise investment, as they provide a consistent income stream without necessitating the sale of your shares. Kiyosaki recommends putting your money into stocks with a history of consistent dividend payments and a strong financial foundation. Engaging in stock market investments by acquiring shares in reputable companies can be a potent tool for building wealth. In a recent interview, Kiyosaki shared his experience of investing in an organization that delivered over 20% annual returns. He firmly believes that investing in stocks can serve as an excellent source of passive income, particularly for those willing to research and invest in high-quality brands.
As you look in the mirror, it's who's looking back at you. You're the risk, not the investment. For example, I invest in a lot of real estate. And say, oh, real estate is so risky, so I think I'll buy ETFs. So you play it safe, but you'll learn more by investing in real estate.
Asset number 3 is a business, and when set up correctly, it can be a substantial source of passive income. The concept behind creating a passive income business is to establish a system that can operate without the constant attention of the owner. This involves launching a scalable business that can generate revenue without the need for ongoing involvement. Such businesses may include digital products like ebooks, online courses, and other digital offerings that can be marketed and sold online. Once these products are created, they can be sold repeatedly, generating a continuous stream of revenue. But what if you don't already own a business or lack the time and resources to start one from scratch? There's a solution for that as well. You can opt to invest in other people's businesses as a passive investor. This approach allows you to generate a source of income without actively participating in the day-to-day operations of the industry. Kiyosaki, a successful entrepreneur himself, has built a business empire that provides him with a steady stream of passive income. He began his entrepreneurial journey by selling wallets at the age of 9, gradually expanding to establish numerous profitable businesses that have generated passive income. In general, creating a passive income business necessitates commitment and patience. By developing a scalable, efficient, and automated business, you can earn income passively, freeing up your time to focus on other pursuits. If you're still watching and enjoying the video, your thumbs up would be greatly appreciated. Now, moving on to asset number 4, intellectual property. Intellectual property serves as an excellent source of cash flow and income if you possess valuable ideas, inventions, or creative works that can be legally protected. Intellectual property, IP, encompasses intangible creations of the mind, including patents, trademarks, copyrights, and trade secrets, which can be owned and leveraged to generate additional income. The ownership and creation of intellectual property have the potential to significantly yield passive income over time.
When I create that cash flow game, it's intellectual property. It's patented. It's in 50 different languages. Every quarter they send me a check. Zero investment into it. When I write a book, like this book here, I think I make about $600,000 a month just from royalties coming off this book. Because I sell the book to a book publishing company, and they send me a check.
These are some avenues through which intellectual property can generate passive income. Firstly, there are patents. If you've come up with a unique invention or innovation, you can apply for a patent. This grants you exclusive rights to use and sell your design for a specified period. An illustrative example is the patent for Post-it notes, which was sold to 3M for $12 million and continues to provide passive income for its inventor. Another aspect of intellectual property is copyrights. Copyrights safeguard original creative works like books, music, films, and software from unauthorized copying or distribution. By obtaining a copyright, you can earn passive income through royalties stemming from sales or licensing your work to others. A prime example is the Harry Potter series, which has sold over 500 million copies worldwide, generating passive income for its author, J.K. Rowling, through book sales, film rights, and merchandise. But what if you're not a writer or musician? There's still a pathway to passive income through investing in other people's intellectual property. For instance, investing in a book or film can yield passive income through royalties. Intellectual property serves as an excellent source of passive income if you possess valuable ideas, inventions, or creative works that can be legally protected. Asset number 5 is peer-to-peer lending, an alternative investment strategy that can provide passive gains. It operates by directly connecting borrowers and investors through an online platform. While peer-to-peer lending is a relatively newer asset class, it has gained increasing popularity in recent years. By lending money to individuals and small businesses through this platform, you can obtain a consistent stream of passive income through interest payments.
Well, it's loaning money to people who can't get a loan anywhere else.
Loans vary in terms of like risk and interest rate, and
but they're all people that couldn't go to the bank. If they could go to the bank, they would go to the bank.
Peer-to-peer, P2P, lending platforms serve as intermediaries connecting borrowers and investors, providing a marketplace where borrowers can access loans and investors can earn returns on their investments. Investors have the flexibility to choose individual loans to fund or build a diversified portfolio of loans. This typically results in higher returns compared to traditional savings accounts or bonds. P2P lending offers several advantages. Firstly, investors can enjoy higher returns due to lower operational costs and reduced intermediation fees from P2P lending platforms. Secondly, it allows for portfolio diversification across a wide range of borrowers, reducing the risk of default. Lastly, P2P lending provides a socially responsible investment option, as it offers access to capital for underserved borrowers who may not qualify for traditional bank loans. Several popular P2P lending platforms present opportunities for passive income, with one example being Lending Club, which has facilitated over $60 billion in loans to borrowers and generated more than $14 billion in returns for investors since its inception. Asset number 6 is annuities. If you're concerned about depleting your retirement savings or seek the security of a steady income stream during your golden years, consider incorporating annuities into your portfolio. An annuity is a contractual arrangement between an individual and an insurance company in which the individual makes payments in exchange for regular payments from the insurer at a later date. Annuities can provide a dependable income source during retirement. However, they come with certain risks. One key risk is that annuity payments may not keep pace with inflation, potentially eroding the value of the income over time. Additionally, annuities can be complex financial products with high fees and early withdrawal penalties, which can diminish the investment's value if the policyholder decides to withdraw the funds prematurely. Various types of annuities can be utilized as a source of passive income, including immediate annuities, deferred annuities, and variable annuities. Immediate annuities provide regular income payments immediately after the policy's purchase, while deferred annuities offer income payments that commence later, typically during retirement. Variable annuities present the potential for higher returns, but come with increased risks, as income payments are linked to the performance of underlying investments. In conclusion, earning passive income is an effective means to supplement your regular income and establish a steady income stream for your retirement. By diversifying your portfolio with various income-generating assets, anyone can create a sustainable source of passive income, ensuring financial security for years to come. It is imperative to conduct thorough research, seek advice from financial advisors, and carefully weigh the risks and benefits of each investment before making decisions. With patience, intelligence, and a sound financial strategy, you can build a reliable income stream that enables you to lead the life you desire without the burden of financial uncertainties. Feel free to share in the comments which asset interests you the most. And if you found this video enjoyable, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and activate notifications to stay informed about new video releases. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.